Yo, my name is Amir, and today Bitcoin went over $11,000 per Bitcoin. So, naturally, I decided to get in front of this camera and talk to you about one of the best investment opportunities of our lifetime. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. And if you're thinking about watching this video, and then you're gonna message me privately after to get specified trading ideas, please don't. These videos are made in a way so that you can become the master of your own life. And my goal through this content is that when you become the expert, you don't need to ask me or somebody else, hey, have you bought this? Hey, are you trading this? Hey, when should I trade this? Hey, I'm not a financial advisor, guys, okay? So don't look to me for your financial advice. The only financial advisor I recommend looking to is yourself. And again, that is why I'm sharing this knowledge. Now, this is the crazy thing about Bitcoin. Right now, we've never in the history of Bitcoin seen a Bitcoin bull run when fiat economies are weak and struggling. Never. This is uncharted territory. And the Bitcoin price is still hovering. It's the end of the day now. It is still hovering at over $11,000. And before we keep going, I just want to give a big shout out to the sponsors of this video that just so happen to be me and myself and my company Specker. So if you haven't done so yet, visit specker.store or speckercbd.com. You could use discount code Amir, and your help with this will help me be able to release more content just like this so that we can all be making lots of money. And if you haven't done so yet, please like this video, follow me, subscribe, leave me a comment in the comment section to ask me your questions. And again, please don't ask about exact trading details. One, I am not a day trader, okay? So I am not looking at the prices every day to be like, I'm gonna pull out money today and then tomorrow I'm gonna, no. I'll take profits in the long term, but I am not a day trader. I'm not even a week trader. I buy and I hold. So I am generally speaking a holder. I will take profits when the time is right, but generally speaking, this is for you to figure out yourself, and I hope that this content that I'm making is going to better educate you so that you can become your own financial advisor. And again, you don't have to send me messages asking me about exact buying options. You know, when is the best time to buy Ethereum right now? It's always the best time to buy cryptocurrency right now. You're still an early adopter. So I just want to go through this with y'all real quick. This is some marvelous shit that's been happening here. So Bitcoin is at over $11,000. I'm going to go through the 1 week chart right here. We have a 20.48% gain in 1 week. So that means if you've been watching my crypto videos over the last few weeks, you will see right now that in 1 week's time, you would have made a 20% profit. In the 1 month, a 22.6% profit. That's 22% gains in 1 month. And when I saw that under 10,000 mark, I knew something big was going to happen. And now here it is. Is this the bull run we've been waiting for? I'm honestly not sure. Because when I look at the trading view here, this is for Binance, the Bitcoin to USD. It doesn't look like we're going to be seeing the bull run going to 20K or the all-time high right now, but I see the accumulations happening right now. This is honestly I don't know if I've ever seen Bitcoin as stable as I'm seeing Bitcoin right now. So this is wild for me. And actually, let's check the Ethereum chart right now, because Ethereum is pumping right now too. Here is Ethereum's price chart. We're at $319. Let's see what we hit today. $334 was the max today. And let's just look at the 1 week, because Ethereum has made some incredible gains. And if you know me, you know I'm really heavy in Bitcoin and really heavy in Ethereum. In 1 week, Ethereum has a 35% gain. Okay? Do you understand how amazing that is? If you are pulling profits, if you are day trading, even if you're holding like I am, I'm going to go into my crypto accounts, look at them and say, wow, I made some gains. Am I going to keep holding? The answer is most likely yes. I'm waiting for new all-time highs, and I'm going to ride that wave up the entire way up and hopefully pass those all-time highs. Now, again, if you haven't done so, please like this video, leave me a comment, follow, subscribe. Let's help grow this community so more people can learn about these topics and make money and learn how to take control of their own lives. Because when you know how to control your own finances, you really know how to control your own life. So I'm gonna go through some news that we've been seeing over the last week or so, the last few days actually, since I last did my video. Here we have from Bitcoin.com, live streaming service Twitch gives subscribers 10% discount if they pay with cryptocurrency. Now this is huge. So the live streaming service Twitch is now offering a 10% subscription discount for people who register with cryptocurrency. The new offer from Twitch leverages the BitPay payment processor, as this is the first crypto-based discount promotion from a company of this magnitude. The reason is this company is owned by Amazon. So think about that. We have more and more people from the big money of the world who are getting into this right now. So if you're not in it now, and I'm not telling you what to do, I'm telling you why I'm in it. If you're not in it, then I just have to ask you why, when all of the big money players in this country right now are either integrating crypto or talking about crypto, then what are you doing? Why are you sleeping? Now, this is very important. As always, I have to mention this because this is oddly one of the most common questions or just thoughts that I receive, which is, I really want to invest in Bitcoin, but I don't have enough to buy a Bitcoin. Again, I say this in every video I'm making at this point. This is not the stock market. You're not buying a share of a company. Bitcoin, look at it as money. You can buy 0.001 Bitcoin. You could buy $10 of Bitcoin. Here we go. I'm actually going to show you firsthand what that looks like on Coinbase. Well, look at that. So we just went under 11. We're at $10,995 right now. This is the support level that we need. If we can stay at that 10,500 support mark, then we're going to see some nice things happening. I had a feeling we were going to see a retracement when I saw that almost 11,000. It was 11,400 today. It was pumping hard. So now it just went right under, but in this video, it's happening right now. This is the end of the night. I'm filming this at 9:30 p.m. right now. People are sleeping, trades aren't happening. So I knew by the end of the night, we're gonna see it go under 11,000. And I'm actually really happy that we are watching it together go under 11,000. Because if you think that it's just gonna add $10,000 in 24 hours without a correction, that's not how this game works. And when I saw these numbers today, I looked at my earnings from the last week, and I could have easily pulled out and made some money, made some profits. I decided to hold because I'm not trying to play that game. There are a lot of people who want to play that game. That's totally fine. If you want to be a day trader, that's totally fine. It's not an easy game. It's essentially like living at the casino every day. That's how I look at it. Day trading is gambling. As smart as you are at poker, you could still make a living doing it, but you will probably still lose money. And then your life is going to get sucked into the gamble mindset of every day. Oh, I need to make this money. I need to make this investment. I need to make this trade. I've been there, done that with that kind of mindset, and I would just rather not put that kind of stress on myself, and that's why I'm a buyer and holder. So let's just look at this Bitcoin chart right here. Like I said, it's still at $10,995 right now. So we're still at that 11,000 mark. I believe that the correction is going to go to 10,500. If it drops below that, we still have not met the proper mark to get into that uncharted bull market territory. And that's going to be a big thing that I've been waiting patiently for. But I've been accumulating. Right now, this is a flash sale. So if the Bitcoin all-time high was at $20,000 and it's at 10,995 right now, please do the math. This is a huge Black Friday type flash sale. Recognize that. So another piece of news here, and you know, it's wild because I was going to make a video about keto and my dietary blueprint today, and I was like, nah, this is a nice little bull run we got going here. And I literally said in my last video from 3-4 days ago, we are going to see this soon. Bull run incoming. And that's why I say we're in uncharted waters right now. Because usually when we have these pumps, it's better times in our history. Right now, this is arguably a time that's worse than the Great Depression, statistically speaking, while the stock market still looks good. But here's an interesting point too. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency still move with the stock market, so, and gold as well. So in this story right here from today, gold reaches all-time high as Bitcoin breaks above 11K. That's big. Gold hit an all-time high. So the price of gold reached a new all-time intraday high of $1,942 Monday, extending a rally that started in 2019. A record high for the yellow metal comes during an approximately 28% rally since January. Gold's previous record high of 1924 was reached on September 6, 2011. And Bitcoin soared above $11,400. And Bitcoin gained more than 13% over the last 24 hours, according to On-Chain FX. So this is big news, y'all. You know, and I was talking about this earlier, and it's funny because I feel like when the boomers start dying off more, we're going to start seeing the separation between the stock market and, you know, the metals and cryptocurrency, and we're going to start seeing price changes, which will be nice because I'm actually not the biggest fan of this whole, like, the stock market's up, crypto's up, you know, there's more funny money in, now crypto's coming up. Okay, the next thing, Ethereum 2.0 developers announced final testnet before network launch. Now, I just showed you the Ethereum price. We're going to go back again to show you 1 week of Ethereum. Okay? 1 week. $237. It is $319 right now. The 1 month. We had $218, $319 now. Now let's look at the 1 year low. $90. That was a really hard financial time for me in February and March when those prices were dropping and I couldn't accumulate more. And I actually had to sell some at that time to survive. But we'll talk about that one on another day. That was actually one of the hardest things I'd ever done in my life, but I needed to do it. So the cool thing about Ethereum right now is that for the most part, the market sees Bitcoin and then everything else is the altcoins. But I argue that Ethereum is slowly becoming unequal to Bitcoin. It's not yet, but I would argue that it's slowly becoming that. Slowly. It's happening. We'll see it soon, you know? But Ethereum just has so many legit projects on it, you know, that there's no reason to believe that Ethereum won't come up and be on that level. While Bitcoin is amazing, I don't know if Bitcoin is going to be the dominant technology in 30 or 40 years. All I know is that it's dominant right now. So Ethereum 2.0 developers released the specifications for the official testnet on Wednesday ahead of a presumed end-of-year launch. The testnet will begin August 4th and has been named Medalla after the Buenos Aires metro stop. Or Medalla then, if it's in Spanish. So in this case, official means the testnet is deployed by the Ethereum Foundation. The testnet is still run by a decentralized group of programmers, developers, and code auditors organized by fork coordinator Afri Shodon. So I don't know if I said that right. So we've been waiting for Ethereum 2.0 for quite some time, and this is a big step in Ethereum's progress. It's going to be interesting when Ethereum 2.0 comes out because it could either skyrocket the price of Ethereum or actually drop it. But I think it's going to skyrocket it. I mean, I'm predicting. I don't think that we're going to see a $0 or like, you know, drastically diminished Ethereum anytime soon. So this is another story I read today from yesterday. Bitcoin is readying for a big move, says fund manager who predicts a $50,000 Bitcoin. Bitcoin has seen immense strength over the past few days relative to its price action over the past few weeks. Analysts remain certain that a large breakout is coming as Bitcoin lags Ethereum and other altcoins while volatility indicators stay low. Now, this is what you'll notice today. A lot of the altcoins are down while Ethereum and Bitcoin are going up. So that's a really good indicator on when I like to buy. The altcoins were pumping last week. I was going heavier in Ethereum and Bitcoin. The week before, Ethereum and Bitcoin were, you know, whatever. And I was going heavier into alts. Not Chainlink at that time because Chainlink was mooning. But now, actually, let's look at that Chainlink price because I mean, Chainlink was hitting all-time highs when I made my last video, but over the last few days, actually, we have seen a drop back down, $6.52 as of today, and now it's at $7.13. But let's see, in the 1 month, we still have a 62% increase. I got into Chainlink when it was way lower than that. And I'm very happy about that. So actually, I'm going to show you all here. Oh, look at that. Bitcoin went back over 11,000. We're at $11,014. And Binance, the Binance chart is going up again right now. It's at $10,992. So this is the interesting thing about different exchanges. You'll see the differences and you'll be like, wait, but that says that and that says that. Why is it? A bunch of reasons. So yeah, if you could see here, we see the Bitcoin 1 month and man, that's beautiful. So look, I'm going to show you this right here. Okay, look, wait, ready to, oh man, I need to do that. I don't want to do that. All right, forget it. We're going to the next story. I was going to show you how like you can put in $10 into Coinbase and then you'll see how much Bitcoin you get. But I'm like, I'm not trying to sign in right now at this second. Okay, this is a cool story that I saw today. It's from today actually. Americans to buy Bitcoin with their second stimulus checks after initial investment turned in a 50% profit. Okay? So that means if you went in with your $1,200 stimulus check and bought Bitcoin, you would have had a 50% increase in your profit. So The U.S. government is on Monday expected to approve plans for the second payout. White House officials have confirmed the bailout is intended to cushion families against the COVID-19 fallout. Instead of buying groceries or paying rent, many Americans opted to invest in the top cryptocurrency when they received their first stimulus check in April. And the gamble, ditching inflationary government money for deflationary crypto, is paying off. Listen, cryptocurrency is very risky. It's extremely volatile. But I would rather invest in a currency that is not backed by death and destruction and a war machine, the military industrial complex, central banks, shady players that we would never support if they were not forced on all of us, like central banks and things like government are. So those that converted the free money to Bitcoin, it's never free money. Remember that. If anybody says it's free, there's no such thing as a free lunch. That's your taxes that have been taken from you that they don't even have enough tax revenue to pay this off. They're just printing money. Those that converted the free money to Bitcoin have raked up to 54% in profit in 3 months as the price of Bitcoin barreled past 10,700 on July 27. So when this article was written earlier today, we had still not hit that 11,000 mark. And now we have hit that 11,000 mark. So this is some wild shit going on right now. And like I said, I just felt compelled to come here and make a video because I know a lot of you are gaining value from these videos. And that's why I'm doing it. And that's why I'm continuing to do it, because I want to keep teaching you the things that have taken me many years to learn. Many years. I learned about Bitcoin when it first came out, like about 10 years ago is when I first heard about Bitcoin. And I have been researching cryptocurrency nonstop and following the market for 10 years now. So I now feel comfortable to share my experiences and my knowledge. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm giving you my experiences. Please have the respect to not put me in odd predicaments to give you financial advice. Because I'm not trying to put that liability on me. If you lose all your money, I don't want you to hit me up and be like, oh my God, why I lost so much money. Okay, well, I told you it's risky. But as far as my risk analysis goes, this is less risky than relying on the currency, the fiat currency of an empire that's only propped up through oil and war, which is the United States government. That's why we have the petrodollar, a dollar that is literally propped up by oil. So if we're looking at the top 10 right now, this is interesting. The top 10 is always changing on CoinMarketCap. So we have Bitcoin and Ethereum 1 and 2, which are usually right there next to each other. Tether is third. XRP is fourth. XRP actually had a 2.13% increase today. Bitcoin Cash is fifth. They had a 8.81% increase. Bitcoin SV is sixth. That's weird. Yeah, that had a 7% gain today. I'm not a fan of Bitcoin SV. Cardano, I am a fan of Cardano. ADA, whatever you want to call it. Cardano's at 13 cents. I've been in Cardano for years too now. When, it was a great technology when I first heard about it. That's why I went in on it. But, people were saying it was a shitcoin over the years, but now they're proving it. They're really proving it. And it's awesome to watch. Litecoin is 8th. Crypto.com coin is 9th. And then Binance coin is 10th. Binance coin is at $20 right now. They had a 4% increase. I remember when I first went on to Binance and I got Binance and I saw that coin like under $1. And I was like, a coin for an exchange? That's weird. I don't know what to do. Nah. Should have bought some Binance coin. But one of the things that you have to make sure when you're investing in crypto is don't FOMO. The fear of missing out will cause you to be very imbalanced and make unintelligent buying decisions. So don't worry about what the price was last year or 2 years ago or last week or yesterday. Worry about the present moment and then think about what is going to happen in the future using these all-time highs. Because it's very easy to start gauging where the market's going to go if you just look at these charts and just analyze them properly. I mean, when I'm showing these charts here on Binance with these candlesticks, it's really not that hard to read these charts. You just look at the trends. But one of the things I don't like to do with crypto is use these charts to make strict buying decisions, because Bitcoin and crypto, it's about a decade old. I just don't think that there's enough long-term information here to be able to make super calculated buying decisions. Like, nah. So, I mean, I still use them, and I still recommend that you look at these candlesticks and you use these charts, but are they super accurate? Yes and no. You can use these charts to analyze, and like for me, I looked at the chart and I was like, okay, we're gonna see this go over that 10,000 mark. We need to see that 10,500 resistance mark right there. And if we can hit that and stay there like we've been staying at that 9,000-ish mark, then you're gonna see a nicer bull run. If we don't, you're gonna see a drop. So that's why every day is super important. But I mean, I'm buying crypto. I put in a little bit of money all the time. And, you know, again, I'm not making any recommendations to you, but that's what I do. And it's a smart decision. So, I mean, this is amazing. After being in the Bitcoin market for this long, and I'm just seeing so many epic gains that we never saw in the past. We didn't even think would happen. I mean, we knew it would eventually happen. Like, I knew institutional investors and institutional money was eventually going to come into the crypto market. But it's crazy watching how it's happening right now. So I want to end off on this, actually. This is important crypto news as well. I mentioned earlier to visit speckercbd.com or specker.store. Use discount code Amir. Get yourself some epic CBD drops, some pain relief lotion, some lip balm, one of these epic t-shirts that you see me wearing all the time because it's just so damn comfortable. So cheers. I'm going to take a dropper. All right, and now I'm going to show you actually the integration on my website of cryptocurrency to show you how serious I am about crypto. I have a crypto integration in my company's website, and you can buy using cryptocurrency. So I integrated Coinbase Commerce, which is just an easy plugin to Shopify, and boom. So I complete the order right here, and you could see this right here. And if you have a business, I implore you to integrate cryptocurrency into your business model. Now, if you see right here, I can pay with Coinbase. So this would integrate my Coinbase account with my Coinbase funds directly into this payment portal. Or I could just go straight Bitcoin and boom. So, okay, The drops with no discount code plus the shipping, but you can use my discount code Amir at checkout and you'll get a nice discount. But this would be $63.18. So as I was saying earlier, I was like, okay, let's go put in some money. So you can buy $63 of Bitcoin and it would be 0.005 Bitcoin, which is not bad. Think about it. If Bitcoin's $100,000, that's not going to seem too bad. So this is one of my prized possessions of my company that I decided to integrate cryptocurrency payments into the platform from the very beginning of the company. And now that was over 2 years ago. So I knew then I had the foresight to understand, and while cryptocurrency is not mainstream today, I know that in 10 years from now it will be. 20 years from now, it's going to be totally normal. In 30 years, you're going to have your children acting like it's not even that big of a deal. Like, yeah, duh. And that's the world that we're going for with this. So this is epic. So yeah, anyway, that's all for today. If you haven't done so yet, please like this video. Let's get as many likes as we can. Please share this video. Follow me, subscribe. Not financial advice, but crypto is the best performing asset class of the last year and the last 10 years. So check it out. Do yourself a favor. I love y'all. Just wanted to come here real quick today and get this information out to you. And hopefully you can make really smart decisions with your own life without asking me directly what I'm doing, because I am literally making these videos and telling you everything that I am doing. There's nothing else that I am doing. I mean, there is. I mean, I'm buying things that I don't talk about yet, and I make trades that I don't talk about. But generally speaking, I am giving you my daily knowledge on this. I'm reading you brand new news. So that's all for tonight. I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you haven't done so, please like, comment, leave your comments. Let me know if you have any questions. This really helps me with the next videos that I make. Visit speckercbd.com. Get yourself some epic, high quality CBD that'll help you sleep well. It'll help this mode go into chill mode, which is I'm going to drink a lot more of this after I'm done with this. Peace and love. I love you all. See you soon.